This is the Happy Birthday stem set from the Stamping Village. This is a 6x8 stem set with 18 individual stamps. This stem set was created in a collaboration of 12 different companies for the Stamping Village. It features images and sentiments in a variety of styles for all of your birthday needs. The images can be stamped as is for a quick focal point on your birthday theme projects, or you can color the outline images with different types of coloring mediums. For every Happy Birthday stem set sold, $5 will be donated to a charity in support of a good cause. This Happy Birthday stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Happy Birthday stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.